Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will teach you how to activate key touch. Follow me. Just go directly to your phone setting, then move to system, followed by about phone. You should then click on build number several times. You see, I click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it will ask me, it asks me to put my password. You don't need to put your password if you didn't set a password on the phone. Okay, after that, then you should just move back, then go to developer options here under backup. Then you click on it, then you should move downward and click on this icon. Okay, show tabs. As you can see, it is open, it is off. Then you should on it. Okay, so let us see whether it is activated. As you can see, look at it here. Touch icon, auto key, which was activated. It is the same way that you should follow in order to activate your touch icon. Thanks.